Maybe you can relate to one of these scenarios. You get asked to create an embroidery piece for a family member or friend, or you get inspired to create something based on something you saw maybe on Pinterest or Etsy, or you just want to use the software that you paid good money for. But every time you open the Floriani Total Control U software, your excitement to create something quickly turns into confusion and frustration because you just can't seem to figure it out. Instead of creating that project, you end up spending hours trying to figure out the software just to close it out and give up. Hi, I'm DJ Anderson. I am the mastermind behind the Floriani Total Control U software. For over 11 years, I worked with the software programs to create, enhance, and introduce you to many industry-first tools offered inside of this amazing software. While working for Floriani, I created many written tutorials, presented in webinars, and shot hundreds of videos to help users like yourself figure out how to get the most out of their FTC-U software. But unfortunately, I didn't have the time to do what I always wanted to do, and that was create a video training series that is broken down by topic, making it easy for software users to find the video they need so that they can use the software that they paid good money for. What I've discovered is that there's places you can go to learn about your software if you're willing to take the time, usually hours, to sift through all the bad videos and hopefully find the ones that will actually help. And you may need to get help from others in order to fill in the blanks or the missing info left out by the presenters that don't really understand or know how the software works. That's why I've created the FTC-U Video Training. In it, I teach you everything I've learned and developed over the years about the FTC-U software so that you can finally make sense of it and use it to create your own masterpieces. For instance, you'll learn how the FTC-U software actually works. It's critical to know how the software does what it does, and if you can start to think like it does, it'll help unlock many of the mysteries behind the program. Once you know how it creates objects and stitches, you will be more comfortable using its tools to create what it is that you want to create. This understanding will help you get the results you desire when using this program. I also teach you how to use the tools of the software, and along the way, I give you all sorts of insights that will help you better understand how the tools and features work. Being that I was a mastermind behind the FTC-U software program and worked with the developers daily to build the tools, I know how these tools and features work at a level that others simply don't. I share these insights to help you understand how to use the tools better. You will learn how to get comfortable with the layout of the software, how to use the basic to advanced tools, and so much more. That's just a small fraction of what you'll learn in the FTC-U Video Training subscription. I use my 18 years of real-world experience using and teaching digitizing software to help you make sense of it and learn how to use this amazing program. Don't continue to be frustrated learning how to use the FTC-U software. Subscribe to the FTC-U Video Training today so that you can start opening your software with excitement and anticipation again, knowing that you'll be able to use it with confidence. For a limited time, the FTC-U software training subscription is on an introductory sale for just $97 a year. This is a $100 savings from the original price. Not only do you get it for less than half the original price, but when you purchase during this introductory offer, you get locked in at the $97 a year subscription price, so the price will never increase if you act now.